Welcome class first. So here today we are going to start a new chapter, lesson 8, and the name of the lesson is three little words. And what are these three little words? A, and the. And these are also called articles. What? Articles. So what are articles? A and the. So in this chapter we will see where we have to use a, where we will use an, or where we will use the. So here the rule for using an, a and the is written here. So firstly we will see where do we use an, an. So we use an before a singular naming word beginning with vowel sound. If a word is starting with the vowel sound means a, e, I, o, u. If the word is starting with these words or these sounds, if we say sound, so that is very much appropriate. So if I am saying apple, so in apple a sound is coming up, apple, a sound, so a double p l e, and it is also starting with a. So always we will write an apple. What? An apple, not a apple. I will tell you more examples also, but now we will see where do we use a. First of all, you have to keep in your mind a and when you will use when the naming word is single, when the naming word is one in number. Okay, then only you can use a and an. And we will use the before the word having sound a, e, I, o, u. Okay, and a we use before the naming word which start with consonant sound. Consonants means the letters except a, e, I, o, u. Except these letters are consonant, like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So except these five, others are consonant, and if the word is beginning starting with the consonant, we will use a. Okay, if the word is starting with a, e, I, o, u or having a sound a, e, I, o, u, then we will write an. Okay, and the is used before the naming word when it is repeated means, for example, that is a girl, and if again we are going to repeat the girl is beautiful, then we will write the girl is beautiful, because one time we have already told that is a girl. Or where we can use the, if it is unique, if the naming word is unique means if there is a famous monument like Taj Mahal, so we will write the Taj Mahal. Famous book like Ramayana, so we will write the Ramayana. Or unique thing like sun, so we will write the sun, the moon, the sky. Okay. Now students, your exercise is look at the picture and write their naming words with a or n. So this one is apple. Apple starts with a means vowel. So if it is start with a or having a voice or vowel sound, so we will write here an apple. An apple. Now this one is elephant. So before elephant a sound is coming and it starts with e also, then we will write an elephant. This is ear. sound E is coming. And an ear. This is boy. There is a sound of consonant. So we will write a boy. What? A boy. This is tomato. Sound of consonant. A tomato. And everything is a single thing. On the single thing we can write A or N. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. A banana. So next is orange. Orange start with O. It means it is vowel sound. So we will write an orange. Pineapple. So it starts with P, consonant. A pineapple. Then mango. A mango. A radish. A carrot. Umbrella. Start with U and having sound A. We will write here an umbrella. Egg. Sorry, we will draw here only one egg. That's why we will write here an egg. Okay. A potato. Okay. After doing that exercise which I have told you, we will do this one in your copy. I am going to just explain it and you will write here. You will write this exercise in your copy after doing this work. So here in first column you have to write countable, noun. On here we will write uncountable things. Countable means which we can count, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Uncountable means which we cannot count. Petrol, we cannot count, so this is uncountable. Gas, uncountable. Flour, countable. Tea, uncountable. Glass, uncountable. Food, uncountable. Water, uncountable. Eraser, countable. Sugar, uncountable. Shirt, countable. Milk, uncountable. Shorts, countable. Handkerchief, countable. Cell phone, countable. Juice, uncountable. So these words you will write here, those are countable, and here the things, those are uncountable, and do in copy. So here I forgot to write some example of the. So here I am going to give you sun, the sun. Moon, unique thing. If there is unique thing, then we will write the stars. There is a famous book, famous place, famous monument, then we will write the Ramayana, the Taj Mahal, like this. Okay. And after completing this, then you will do countable and uncountable work in this copy. In next exercise, you have to read the chapter and the words begin with the. You will write here. Write a, an or the in the blanks. So she bought new umbrella. If there is only umbrella, then we will write here and, but before umbrella there is new, we will write a new umbrella. And umbrella is again repeating, so we will write here the umbrella is beautiful. She saw an ugly duck, and because start with you. The duck, because again it is repeating, so we will write the duck had lost its way. This is a picture of rabbit holding a pencil. The pencil is big. A book is kept on the table. The book is thick. So next is read the following and circle the naming words with the. So read it and write here. With the, Rani was looking at the moon. Okay, the moon was looking beautiful. There were some clouds in the sky. The sky. Okay, the wind. Suddenly the wind started blooming. See, soon the clouds. Okay, the sky already I have circle here. Become the full moon. Okay, so these words you will write here. Next, read these sentences and fill yourself a and the. This exercise do in book. This one also do in book. This also. Okay. Now the next exercise do in your copy. Okay. After countable and uncountable things. So here it's very easy. Identify the correct word and fill in the blanks. Umbrella, beautiful. Okay, like this you will do. Moonlit. Now do sound practice. Wood, wood, would, could, would, should. Stood, sugar, look, book. Now here boot, to, cool, cook, jewelry, troop, rope. Okay, now complete your work everyone.